The monsoon mayhem in the state has led to 40 people are missing in the matter of about 2 weeks' time. 63 lives have been lost. There has been severe devastation as cloudbursts triggered deadly landslides, damaging houses, sweeping away cars. Connectivity has been crippled with several roads and tunnels that have now been closed. We have, let's just get you more details as to the situation on the ground and how bad it is and how bad it's been over the last 2 weeks.
अभी तक लगभग 400 करोड़ के करीब का जो नुकसान का आंकड़ा है ये हमारे सिस्टम पे दर्ज हुआ है, लेकिन वास्तविक आंकड़ा उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। आप जानते हैं कि हमारा सबसे जो प्रभावित क्षेत्र मंडी ज़िला है और मंडी ज़िला में हमारा जो थुनाग सब डिवीज़न है वहाँ पे रेस्टोरेशन एफर्ट चल रहे हैं। सीनियर लेवल पे जो लोग हैं वहाँ पे तैनात हैं। इंजीनियर इन चीफ पीडब्ल्यूडी मंडी में तैनात हैं ताकि जो सड़क की बहाली का काम है उसको देखा जा सके।
Gurpreet, my colleague, joining us to get us the extent of damage and devastation that's being reported in the state. Gurpreet, take us through the worst impacted areas and what lies ahead. What does the forecast say?
Well, we have seen the continuous rain which has been continuing in Himachal Pradesh for the last so many days. The worst affected area, what we have learned from the officials, they say the worst affected area is the district Mandi, where we have seen the multiple deaths had been reported, multi-crore loss had been reported from that place, and multiple rescue operations are already underway. We have seen that till 7th July, there is a specific alert which has been given by the weather department to all the district to remain on the toes. We have seen the multiple roads, around more than 200 roads were being affected because of these rains, and the repair work is already going on. In some of the villages in district Mandi, we have seen that connectivity has already been cut down, and now they are trying to repair all the roads also. They are trying to maintain the connectivity with the villages also. So as of now, we have seen the more than 400 crore loss has already been reported in the various locations of Himachal Pradesh, and the main aim of Himachal Pradesh government to maintain the connectivity of roads so that the traffic should not be halted at a specific place. So we have to see how they are going to grapple and combat with the situation. But as of now, we have seen the weather department has already given an alert till 7th of July so that all the precautions should be taken in proper place and there should not be much loss in the coming days. Back to studio.